How to make Snapchat group chat. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can make Snapchat group chat. Now it's quite simple and quite easy. All you have to do is open up the Snapchat app and you'll get an interface like this as you can see on the screen. Now tap on the chat icon at the bottom of your screen that you can see beside the search lens icon or the location icon. Simply tap on it. Once here, you can see a little blue with the pen icon at the bottom right corner of your screen that you can see above the little triangle icon there. Simply tap on the blue icon here and you'll find the option new group on the screen. Simply tap on new group and you'll be able to create a group from here. All you have to do is type in your group name here and then select the friends that you want to add to your group here. You can search here from here and select them randomly here. And once you select the users that you want to add to your group, simply tap on the chat with the group option that you can see at the bottom of the screen and your group chat will be created. So this way you can create group chat or make Snapchat group chat. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.